Welcome back, Solid Rock family. We're going to get into another tune. But before we get into the tune, I want to announce this month's fragrance because, I have to share a bit of my personality on the Solid Corner. So, fragrance is a big thing for me. What I put on is a big thing for me. A man of class. You understand? Yeah, so this month's fragrance is none other than the Ralph Lauren Polo Blue with top notes of melon, mandarin orange, and cucumber. Middle notes is basil verbena, sage, and geranium. And the base notes is wamusk, woodsy notes, and suede. Right? Yeah, all those flavors in one bottle. Yeah, so this month's fragrance is none other than the Ralph Lauren Polo Blue. And trust me, it does stay true. And it will do a lot for you. Trust me upon that. All right? So this month, fragrance for the gentlemen. Make sure you get yourself, if you don't have it already. If you have it already or you've used it before, you know what I'm talking about. But if not, get yourself this bottle of Ralph Lauren Polo Blue. Anyway, we're going to get into the tune. 1976 was the year. And I'm telling you, this is what you would hear. Yeah, Pluto Shervington with Ram Goat Liver.
Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really live, but it's not my fault. And when we nearly reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come to a halt. Well, liquor ram goes down by the roundabout, but just as if that could not suffice, I better run to the bus and start to shout. You should have dead make we buy a pound of rice. Ram good liver, good to make manish water. Really good teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk. Well, the news spread fast like a telegram. Nobody know where the good come from. We raise a pot and a pan from an iron man who sit down there all along. Two twos and the pot a boil. I hit a yaman banana dip. Meanwhile, little waters a gone. Lick me goat and a take me sip. Ram good liver, good fi make manish water. Really good teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk. Well, I pop two belch and I make a slide. I take a walk, go out the street. But while I waiting down the road, before my ride, I feel a gripe and I start to feel very weak. Before too long, you know have to ask. I run the belly like a judgment day. Everybody in the road I dead will laugh. Is then I know that crime will never pay. Ram good liver, good to make manish water. Really good teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk. Ram good liver, good to make manish water. Really good teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk. Ram good liver, good to make manish water. Really good teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Very good lunch, put the bite in your back.
Oh, yes. It made the daughter walk and talk. Pluto Shervington with his 1976 release, Ram Goat Liver. This gentleman and another artist by the name of Ernest Smith, to me, they're one of Jamaica's, best storytellers when it comes to music. They know how to put a story into song. You know what I mean? And, I've been hearing this song ever since I was a kid, and, it's just a part of our Jamaican culture, these tunes, right? And we're gonna get into another one, that you popularly will know, and we're gonna keep the ball rolling. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep the comments positive. Keep the vibes positive. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. And we're going to move on to the next tune. Ram good liver, good themic, manishwata. You know, me like my curry goat still when I'm ready. Ever so often, right? Because I'm not such a meat person, but yeah, every now and again, I'll touch a little curry goat and go and row the boat. You understand what I said? No cutthroat. Got you.